Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, is often misunderstood. People may see it as simply a problem with focus or self-control. However, ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder rooted in differences in brain development and function. These differences impact the brain's ability to manage attention, impulses, and activity levels effectively. Research shows ADHD is linked to structural and functional variations in brain regions responsible for executive functions. Understanding the biological basis of ADHD helps destigmatize the disorder and promotes empathy and support. This knowledge is essential for developing effective treatment strategies. Several key brain regions are implicated in ADHD. Let's delve into three crucial areas: the prefrontal cortex, the basal ganglia, and the hippocampus. The prefrontal cortex, our command center, is responsible for executive functions like planning and decision-making. In ADHD, it often shows delayed maturation and reduced activity, leading to difficulties with organization and impulse control. The basal ganglia regulate movement and motivation, and dysfunction here may contribute to hyperactivity and impulsive behaviors. The hippocampus plays a vital role in learning and memory, and smaller volumes in ADHD may lead to challenges in these areas. These interconnected regions work together to regulate attention, behavior, and emotions. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells in the brain. Two neurotransmitters, dopamine and norepinephrine, are significantly implicated in ADHD. Dopamine, involved in reward pathways and attention, may be less efficient in ADHD, leading to difficulty experiencing pleasure and a need for external stimulation. Norepinephrine is responsible for alertness and focus, and imbalances can contribute to inattention and distractibility. Medications for ADHD often target these neurotransmitter systems. Stimulant medications increase dopamine and norepinephrine levels, improving attention and reducing hyperactivity. This helps enhance executive function and manage symptoms. Understanding these neurotransmitters is key to effective treatment. The brain is an intricate network of interconnected regions that communicate to perform complex tasks. In ADHD, it's not just individual brain regions that are affected, but also the connections between them. One critical network affected is the default mode network, DMN, active during mind-wandering and self-reflection. In ADHD, the DMN often fails to deactivate when attention is required, leading to mind-wandering and reduced productivity. Another crucial network is the frontoparietal network, FPN, vital for attentional control and cognitive flexibility. Disruptions in the FPN can contribute to difficulties with sustaining attention and inhibiting distractions. Weaker connections between the prefrontal cortex and basal ganglia may manifest as impulsivity and challenges with emotional regulation. Understanding these network disruptions helps explain the complex symptoms of ADHD. Understanding the neurological underpinnings of ADHD provides valuable insights into daily challenges. A less active prefrontal cortex can explain struggles with planning, organization, and time management. Dopamine and norepinephrine imbalances shed light on challenges with motivation, focus, and reward processing. Reduced sensitivity to dopamine can make everyday activities seem less rewarding, leading to procrastination. Disruptions in brain networks like the DMN and FPN explain difficulties with attention and distractibility. ADHD is not a lack of willpower, but a neurodevelopmental disorder with a complex biological basis. Recognizing this is crucial for fostering empathy and reducing stigma. This understanding helps develop effective treatment strategies. ADHD is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by functional abnormalities in key brain regions, neurotransmitter imbalances, and network disruptions. The prefrontal cortex, basal ganglia, and hippocampus show differences in activity and development in individuals with ADHD. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine play vital roles in regulating attention and impulse control. Disruptions in brain networks further contribute to attentional and cognitive challenges. A holistic understanding of ADHD requires recognizing the interplay of these neurological factors. Recognizing ADHD as a brain-based disorder is essential for reducing stigma and promoting empathy. Addressing the underlying neurological factors helps individuals manage symptoms and lead fulfilling lives.